How to add a YouTube channel profile picture. So hey guys, if you also want to add a profile picture to your YouTube channel, then what you need to do is simply follow these simple steps in this video. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube studio. To head on to a YouTube studio, you need to click onto the profile picture of your YouTube account, and then from here simply choose YouTube Studio. This will lead you to the YouTube Studio website. Then inside the YouTube Studio you can see this option of customization. So simply click on the customization option, and under the profile tab you can scroll down and you can see this option of picture. This is the profile picture of your YouTube channel. So we need to upload a particular profile picture. So click onto the upload button and choose the particular profile picture that you want to upload. So here you can see I have selected my profile picture that I want to upload, and then once you have opened it, you may also choose to resize it if you want. So for example, if you want to crop it, you can do so by dragging up these corners of the image frame. Then once you are done with the resizing and you are satisfied, you need to click onto this done button right here. Once you have done with the changes, you need to click onto this publish button at the top right. And once that will be done, you can see this message which says changes published. So let us go to our channel again and let's see if it has been published or not. And here you can see that now the channel is coming with a profile picture. So that's how easy it is to get a profile picture for your YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment on this video if it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.